Need quick tips and tricks about making money online? They're here. There is so much information out there about making money online that it can sometimes be hard determining what is helpful and what is not. That is the point of this video. It will teach you the proper way to make money online. So, pay close attention to the information that follows. Look out for online scams. Not every opportunity will be a good one. Investigate each opportunity and read reviews before beginning to work for a company. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. Consider taking surveys. There are plenty of surveys available on the internet. They can be a good way to make money. They don't pay much, though. Yet it is simple to perform these tasks during your free time. Over time, this revenue accrues nicely. You should be ready to offer proof of your identity when pursuing online work. Many places expect you to provide the same identification and validation as if you were working in person at a brick-and-mortar place. If you do not yet have digital versions of your personal identification documentation, get them ready in advance to smooth out application processes. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. This video has given you useful facts about making money online. Now, you do not have to worry about what is the truth and what is fiction. When you put the above tips to use, you may be surprised at how easy making money online is. Use these tips and enjoy what follows. Student loan.